begin with breaking news. A federal judge appointed by President Biden orders the Department of Homeland Security to stop making arrests in Los Angeles immigration raids without probable cause. The order says ICE cannot detain individuals based solely on race, spoken language, or occupation. Homeland Security officials say claims that people targeted because of their skin color are false.
California's governor, attorney general, LA city attorney, LA's mayor were among those supporting this lawsuit. I spoke to LA Mayor Karen Bass a short time ago.
It's a big win for Angelenos, and I frankly think it's a big win for the country, because what started in Los Angeles, I have no doubt, is going to go to other cities as well. And so the indiscriminate pulling people over, snatching them off the street, masked men with guns, no identification. The courts understood that this is against our democracy, this is against our Constitution, and said that it has to stop. They have to go about things the right way. If they have a warrant, if they have a reason to detain somebody, then what is it? Go about it the proper way or stop.
We have seen lower courts side, frankly, with a lot of the Democratic officials on some of these immigration issues. And then as they're appealed, some of the more conservative courts side with the administration. Are you afraid that's going to happen again?
Well, that is definitely a risk. We do understand that, but it's just so important for Angelenos to understand that we stood together as a city. We peacefully protested, because that is critical, and we used all of the tools in our democratic toolbox, and that was the courts.
And lastly, is there, because I'm concerned when I see what's happening that somebody's going to get seriously hurt when you see the tension on one of the sides. I mean, could be an ICE agent, could be somebody in the streets. Is there a way to cool down the temperature here? Is there a deal maybe to be made on sanctuary cities? Is there some negotiation behind the scenes with you and the administration to try to take things down a notch?
Well, you should know, and you know me, I'm always willing to talk. I'm always willing to have a discussion. But the way you cool down the temperature is you stop what you are doing. And that's essentially the order from the court today. So maybe since the administration has been told that the Constitution actually applies to them, maybe they will be interested in having a conversation.
A different view tonight from the Trump-appointed U.S. Attorney Bill Asaley. On X, he says, quote, "We strongly disagree with the allegations in the lawsuit and maintain that our agents have never detained individuals without proper legal justification. Our federal agents will continue to enforce the law and abide by the U.S. Constitution." We've got more reaction on our website, foxla.com. So many people weighing in on this tonight.
You know, we talked to Jessica Levinson at the 8 o'clock show. The order also says they are to receive counsel even on the weekends. And I asked her, is this going to happen? She says, only the days will tell. Your thoughts?
Yeah, I mean, the big question is this enforceable right now? Is this thing going to get appealed immediately? I think it probably is going to get appealed immediately. The White House says they're going to. So is this in effect right now, or is this going to be stayed like so many other decisions are, as this is fought out in court? Most likely is going to be stayed, but we'll see in the days ahead.